Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I actually have been getting a lot of questions about how to upload brushes that were either purchased through Gumroad or through the link in videos. So I'm going to just walk you through how the different steps you can do it, and hopefully this will help anybody who's having any issues kind of getting those brushes installed into Procreate. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first step when trying to put brushes into Procreate is make sure that when you do download the zip file that you unzip it. So that's easy as just clicking it. So I'm going to show you that after I show you the quick way in Procreate to import the brushes. So you're going to tap on this brush icon and then hit the plus symbol. Once you're there, you hit import, and you see how that's grayed out because it's a zip file. So you need to unzip it. But just for this video, I'm going to show you one that's already unzipped. And downloads. Where it says new raw straws brush advanced. You click on that, and I'm doing it through iCloud, so it might take a minute. And now it is there. Really simple. The next step is I'm going to show you how to do it from your My Files folder. So once you're in your My Files folder, it should look like this. Just make sure you click the right folder. If you're downloading from Chrome, it is going to put it in a download folder. If you're downloading it from Safari, it should put it in your iCloud drive or on where it says My iPad. Just for this video, I moved it to the On My iPad because I have so much stuff in my iCloud. So I'm going to unzip, and it's going to create a folder. You're going to click on that, and it's going to unzip everything. This right here, this one right here, I'm going to just hold it. That one right there is for Photoshop and Affinity Painter. I think it also works in Clip Studio. I haven't tried it yet. See right there, CSP installation guide. But you're gonna just click on the one that says Procreate, just click on it, and it imports. So hopefully, if you're having any issues installing these brush packs in Procreate, it most likely means that you're not unzipping the folder. And you'll notice, because the icon looks like this, it'll have that Procreate symbol on it. When you see that symbol, then you know you can install it. And I want to apologize for the echo. I'm in the studio, and it's really echoey in here. If you can see the ceiling, it's like noise dampeners, but it creates an echo. But hopefully this video helped. I know it's not a very long video, but I've been seeing a lot of comments, especially in the older Jing Sketch videos and the Gaius Cruise videos, that you guys are having some issues installing these in Procreate. But if you have any other questions about Procreate, please leave them in the comments down below. I know I haven't been really uploading a lot of tutorials lately because I've been in the studio a lot. But I have been putting up some time lapses, and hopefully you guys have been enjoying those. If you have any questions about the time lapses, please leave them in the comments down below too. I respond to every comment. I try to, at least. If it does get lost or you don't see a reply, it just means that I haven't seen it, or it got put in a spam folder for some reason. I try to check the spam folder as much as I can. So hopefully I haven't missed any questions or concerns. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it over 9,000. Take care.